Amalgamation, why? 3 tap step stumps, and as I always say, you don't have to do them straight, you could turn them. Tap step, stump, tap step, stump, tap step, stump. 2 quick tap springs. Then from there you're going to do a 3rd tap spring followed by a drop. Tap spring, drop, scuff, hold, and then shadow steps, cross, back, side. Now on the 4th step you can either bring together on a step, which means you've got your left foot free to begin again, or you could do a dig on the 4th shadow step, which means you can start again on the same foot. So 3 tap step stumps, 2 tap springs, a 3rd tap spring followed by a drop scuff, drop scuff, and then from there your shadow step. One more time. 3 tap step stumps, 2 tap springs, a 3rd tap spring, drop, scuff, cross, back, side, and either a dig or a step together to start on the other leg. I'm going to do a dig, so I will begin on the same leg so it's easy for you to copy when you're getting used to it. But once you've got it, make that step and then try and reverse it all, starting with the other foot. So let's try with some music. Amalgamation Z. There are more amalgamations to follow, so don't think this is the last one. I'm going to go on to A1, etc. So we're going to do a forward tap, backward tap, and 2 ball changes. Forward, back, so it's 1, 2, and then your 2 ball changes and 3 and 4. You can either just do 2 here, or you can cross them, or make them any type of ball changes you like. So don't forget, when we do ball changes, you don't have to do 2 the same. You could turn 1, or turn both, or you could do in front, behind, side, whatever you like. But for simplicity, I'm just going to do 2 straight ball changes to remind you, so they will be counted and 3 and 4. So have 1, 2 and 3 and 4. From here, step, pick up, dig, and brush, hop, step, toe. Now don't forget, some of these steps you could travel or turn them or just keep them all on the spot. So do play around with it, because this is a nice simple one. So learn it and then try lots of different variations on it. So one more time. Forward and backward tap, 2 ball changes, step, pick up, dig, brush, hop, step, toe. And then I'm starting it obviously again on the same foot, but there's no reason why you couldn't do something else on the end, such as a stamp instead of the toe, and then you could use the other foot to begin. So you could end brush, hop, step, and instead of the toe, stamp, and then you can begin on the other foot. But I'm going to do the toe because it's easier for you to keep copying it and learning it on the same foot. So let's try with some music.